Self-massage tips to ease aches and pains. Are you tired of living with aches and pains? Today, we're going to show you some simple self-massage techniques to help ease that discomfort and leave you feeling relaxed and refreshed. Neck and shoulders. Let's start with the neck and shoulders, where tension often builds up. Using your fingertips, gently massage in circular motions, focusing on the areas that feel tight. Remember to breathe deeply and slowly, and don't be afraid to apply pressure to those knots. Back and hips. Next, let's move on to the back and hips. Using your palms or a foam roller, massage in long strokes, working from the top of your back down to your hips. This can help loosen up tight muscles and improve flexibility. Hands and feet. Don't forget about your hands and feet. Massaging these areas can help reduce stress and improve circulation. Use gentle circular motions with your fingertips, and don't forget to massage between your toes. That's it. With these simple self-massage techniques, you can ease aches and pains and feel more relaxed and refreshed. Remember to take care of yourself and massage regularly.